In Windows 10, it is super easy to change your default web browser. This way, you can set Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, or another browser of your choice as the default. I'll show you how to do that. Once you've set a browser as the default, your PC will open all your web links in that browser. Later, you can change the default browser again if you want. First, make sure the browser you want to make the default is installed on your PC. Then, launch the Settings app by pressing Windows+i. In Settings, select Apps. From the sidebar on the left, choose Default Apps. On the right pane, under Web Browser, click the current default browser. In my PC, it's Microsoft Edge browser. You'll see a Choose an App menu listing your installed web browsers. Here, click the browser you want to set as the default. And that's it. You've successfully changed your PC's default browser. Please, like and comment and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.